If you're tired of outdoor furniture that just seems to fall apart after a year or two of use, then you got to check this out. So this table and chair here, they are made out of HDPE, which is a high density polyethylene material, which is what makes it essentially weatherproof. And in this video, I want to go through some of the other cool features about this table. But before I do, I would like to thank the company for gifting me this table in exchange for my honest review. So the HDPE material of this table is what makes it waterproof, scratch resistant. It's going to prevent this thing from cracking and peeling over time, as well as it's going to help to prevent the fading of the color from the sun. And so with that, that's what makes this thing safe to keep outdoors year round if you really wanted to, without having to worry about it falling apart like the thin plastic tables and chairs that you might have dealt with in the past. But with the design of this table, I really do love it because even though it's made out of the HDPE, they put a really nice wood grain texture on the material, which gives it a nice grip to it, but also you don't have to worry about dealing with the splinters that come with real wood. Also, along the edges of the table and all the boards, they rounded it, so you don't have to worry about sharp edges accidentally getting you and hurting you. And also, the strength of this table is ridiculous. So each tier can support up to 250 pounds. So you can actually use this as an extra seat if you wanted to. And yeah, as far as the assembly of this table, it went together really fast. I put this thing together by myself in about 10 to 15 minutes. It comes with everything you need to put it together. So all the screws as well as the tools you need. I am very impressed with this table so far. If you're interested in a good outdoor set of furniture, this company also makes chairs. I'm actually sitting in the chair right now, but they also have tons of colors that you can choose from. So yes, I highly recommend. And if you are looking for a good outdoor set of furniture, I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching.